Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vitika again, and for today's video I thought I would show you some budget friendly products available here in India. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. So the first thing is this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara. I use it as a brow gel, so I would just take the brush and apply it on my brows and set it up with this. And for that purpose I really like this product because it's super long lasting and my eyebrows stay in place, and it's super budget friendly. I got this product back in January and I've just been loving it so much. Overall, I've been using it almost every time I apply makeup. I really love it for quarantine days because I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a long time. So for that, this product really makes it look like they are in shape and super brushed. So yeah, moving on. The next product again is a brow product, and this is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. So it has two sides. It has a spoolie on one side, and then on the other side it has the drawing pencil, and it's retractable. I had been using the Wet n Wild one. It's somewhere, yeah. I had been using this one by Wet n Wild, but then I decided to buy this one by Etude House, and this is much thinner. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the Etude House one is definitely thinner, which really helps in getting more precise like that. So yeah, I really love this product, and it was only for I think $260, which is such a bargain. I would definitely recommend this one for you guys. I think it's one of the best products under 500. Moving on to the eyes. The product I have is this Lash Fixer by PAC. It's budget friendly and it dries super quickly too, so you don't have to wait for your lash glue to dry. I really like this product. If you are looking for a lash glue, then just go ahead and buy this one. I'm sure you will love it, just like I do. Especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to invest in something like an Ardell lash glue, which will cost you about 1000 to 900 rupees. I think this is a great starting point, and I use it on a daily basis. So yeah, I really love this one. Next up is this mascara by Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl one. First of all, I love the packaging. As you can see, I love pink, and I think black and pink just looks so good. So for the packaging, I love this one, but also I'm wearing this mascara today. It really does what a good mascara should do. So it lengthens your mascara, it stays on for as long as you remove your makeup. It's super long lasting. So yeah, I love this product. In fact, I love almost all mascaras by Maybelline. I like this one, and I also love the Lash Sensational one. I had been using Lash Sensational for the past 2-3 years. So I decided to just go ahead and switch it up a little bit. So I got this one, and I love this one as well. I think maybe a little bit more than the Lash Sensational, but I think both are amazing. We're already done with 5 products, and the other 5 products I have, they're all lip products. The first one is this lip liner by InColor. You would not believe that it only retails for 44 rupees. I just bought this lip liner by InColor on a whim. I was just let's just try it. It's so inexpensive, so let's just see how it goes. And I've been really liking this lip liner, but this one isn't available on Nykaa, so I ordered this one by InColor. This is available on Nykaa only for 44 rupees. I've already used this one so much, so I wanted to try something new, and yeah, I really love this one. The next product is this LA Girl lip gloss. This is in the shade Holographic. It's a really nice shape shifting gloss. I just love the way it shines. You can see it from here too. It has a blue to purple shift, and it's just so gorgeous for those experimental looks. And just in general, I really like the finish and everything of this product. This is available in more shades, so if you don't want a blue or purple one, you can totally go for a different shade and something that will suit your style. The next 2 products are also lip glosses, and these 2 are by Studio West. So Studio West is the brand by Westside, and they have a whole makeup collection. They also have perfumes and everything, but These two glosses are super inexpensive. I'm not sure about the exact price because it's not available online. These are only available in their stores. But I remember buying these two for like 150. These were like buy one get one. So I'm sure these retail for less than 500. I really like these glosses. They are so shiny. I love that they have glitter particles in them. I think I'll swatch this golden one for you guys on my lips. I don't like that it has a thin applicator. I think that's one thing that I would change about it. But other than that, so as you can see, it's super golden and it changed the lip color quite a bit, and I love that about this gloss. It doesn't have like a proper color, it just has a lot of glitter particles and it looks even better in real life. And I will swatch this one for you. And you can build it up. Again, a really pretty shade, super juicy. I love these two lip glosses so much. I love to look at them, I love to apply them. These are perfect and really small in size, so they are very travel friendly as well. The next two products are just bonus products. I'm sure you know about them and have heard about them, but I just wanted to include them here because these two are products I like. First one is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm wearing it right now. And I know that this kajal smudges on some people, but personally I've never had that experience. I've seen some people where this kajal reaches to this point, like it smudges so much, but personally I've never had that problem. I have like been wearing this here for like 3 hours now and it still hasn't moved or dispersed too much. And the last and final product is this Lakme Insta Liner. I have a few thoughts about this eyeliner. First, of course, is that this is super budget friendly. So it retails for 130 rupees, which is really cheap for like an eyeliner. But on the other hand, I feel like this eyeliner is super streaky. So if you can see, okay, that was too much product I picked up, so it's fine. But if I put a less amount, then it's not as pigmented and it also gets very streaky. So for that reason, I don't like this eyeliner. But I feel like this is really good for people who are on a tight budget, like college students, and they really want to experiment with their looks. This actually smudges quite quickly, so I don't know why they wrote water resistant, because it is definitely not. This is more of a water based eyeliner, so I don't know how it can be waterproof. Not the best, but in the budget friendly scene, definitely the best. So yeah, that concludes this video, you guys. But before I go, I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things regarding my video, which was about makeup schools in India. A lot of you guys have been asking me for an update about how I've been after I graduated from SMA. And to be honest with you guys, there is not much to update about. I mean, I graduated in November 2019. And after that, I got a few bookings and everything. Life was doing good. But right after March, the pandemic happened, and that has really slowed down everything by a lot. So I haven't been able to really branch out and experiment as much as I would like to. In a perfect world, I would be having so many collabs with so many people right now, and I would just be expanding my portfolio. My target for this year was to just extend my portfolio as much as I can. It was never to just start making money the second I graduate. I really want to take some time to hone my craft, and I knew that I was just a beginner, so I wanted to get some experience in the industry and learn a lot more. There is so much to learn, but yeah, because of the pandemic, most of those things have come to a halt. I have just been working on my Instagram page, which is at Makeup by Vitika. I'm not sure how many of you guys know about it, but you can definitely check it out in the link in my description. I've just been doing makeup on myself and doing shoots on myself, which is not ideal, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I think that is all there is to update. There is the upcoming wedding season and I have quite a few bookings, but I'm not actively trying to earn money or anything like that. Yeah, that is all that I wanted to say. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you want me to do in the future. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.